Hello everyone. So we got an animal in the room called my brother. So he's gonna be passing me some great stuff. So today we're going to show you some old toys I used to own. Some of them I recently owned, but they're very weird, and I don't know why I own them. But I thought I might show you guys just because I'm bored. Anyways, we're just gonna get on the first one. So hand me the. So the first one, I'm doing a great job of showing it, so you can see it. No, I'm kidding. But so you can see that it's like a pony. Like I'm sure you can see that clearly. So it's a pony from My Little Pony called Rainbow Dash, and she's kind of missing her wings. But I don't know why I still own this. But next one. Biggest, I owned this like a long time ago. This one, I don't know. This one's very terrifying. Like, can you guys see that? Like, those eyes, you can tell that she's up to no good. Like, she probably brought like 10 ounces of cocaine on the way here.
Oh yeah, that's me. I'm sorry.
Alright, so she's like, okay, the weird thing is, right, she's got a boots here, and then she like doesn't have any legs. Like, she looks very happy. Like that's some happy stuff right there. My dog kind of pulled it out like from upstairs, and she was like chewing it, and I'm like, oh, I remember that. So my dog's over there. She's kind of dead over there. I don't know, but
yeah.
I don't know what's going on with her. Next.
Oh my god! Let me throw it at your face for once, like this bitch.
It's hard. I don't want to get hurt by these scary toys. Okay.
Yeah, true. It is pretty scary, like my face.
Next one we got this thing, and it's called a Monchichi. I think that's what it was supposed to be. I think it's like a knockoff one I got from like AliExpress, whatever, like a Chinese place. But my best friend got me this for me, named Ella. And so Rainbow Dash, what are you doing? Get out of the camera, girl. I think she's possessed, guys. I mean, I don't know. If I'm not here in like a week, she must have been taken over my
Rory,
channel.
she's coming for you. She's coming for you. Alright, welcome to Justin's toy review.
This thing, it's like in a cute little cat outfit, but like soon you realize how tiny the hands are. And oh yeah, also there's this weird little mouth hole.
Alright, next item. Let's do this.
So this one I don't think it's really mine. It's like kind of for Christmas, but this boy is like pretty big. He's a thick boy, so I thought I might show you him.
Boy.
I don't know. He's pretty interesting. I rate him 6 out of 10 hose. All right, there we go. Next one. Don't throw it at me. Don't. This one, it's called a Zelf, but if you the interesting, it's got music notes on his bottom.
Wow,
right there. So, anyways, it could even boogie around like boogie. Boogie. I love this Pet Shop cat. Like, if you didn't know,
I thought it was Stitch from like the
Oh yeah, because Stitch is pink. Everyone knows that.
Yeah.
So anyways,
right?
so anyone knows.
Wait, what color is it? Let's call it Stitch.
Blue. If any of you didn't know, you probably didn't. I really like Lily's Pet Shop, and especially from my younger days. So I got this thing, and it's kind of like, I don't know, it's a little bit derped out. It's a little bit derped out there. So yeah, if you can, my brother's kind of laughing at this. So anyways, this is the thing, and it's a little bit odd, like, I don't know what it is. It's kind of weird. Anyways, be gone. Next item. Next item.
Oh, yeah, right.
We got My Little Pony thing. Okay, I used to have this when I was really, really young. Like, I even cut the hair. I don't know what I did. Maybe that was cut like that, but I don't know.
I wonder why
So you can
fired
tell
from
this
being a
was
Barbie.
very old because this is like from like 2008. I don't know. I used to have this a long time ago. So I'm not sure if like it actually. I had this other thing called a Star Song. Like, this could be like a series. I might, show some more stuff in future videos. But this is just the first
Or
thing,
do an
so-
impression of it. Like, move it around, do an impression of what it would sound like. And
Hello there. My name is Pony with
Nay! Nay!
Sorry guys, sorry guys, you kind of fell down there a little bit, so I'm very sorry. Here's my legs.
It's Garfield.
So it's like, it kind of, sits like that, and
it's
it kind of
Garfield.
has like a little butthole
Or it's
belly.
Garfield.
I can't tell if that's a butthole or it's belly button, but it's
think
kind
it's-
of like on its genital area.
You don't know if it's a boy or girl.
So I don't know what that's supposed to be, but I
Look,
mean
it's-
this could be a butthole. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, I don't know. Anyways, just wanted to show you that. Next thing, we got this. Now I wanted to show you this because it's just really cool. So
Right
like,
into the camera for the
you
outro.
can like bend it. Like it could have like a broken ass leg. Sorry, it could have like a broken.
Here, let me do something with it real quick. Here, I'm gonna make a balloon. Okay, just hang on. It's gonna take a little bit of maybe 5
Oh,
days.
don't ruin it. Don't ruin it though.
Okay, done. We have a balloon.
So, as my brother demonstrated, you can actually,
Biting
you can
his
make
ass?
it bite his own butt. So, like, that's
Yeah,
interesting.
just fly into the
Fun
camera.
fact: this was very expensive. This is
Stop showing off.
apparently this is like a rare item. I don't know, but I just really liked it. So,
Fly into the camera for the.
so anyways, that was my toy stuff. Thank you for watching, guys. I've got some very unique toy collection, as you can see. So thank you very much for watching.
You
Goodbye.
Tog is gonna say bye.